Hi YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tea Kettle, and I've been drinking some energy drinks, so I'm really excited. I'm really hyper, so today we're playing Luigi's Mansion. I'm just joking. We're playing Mario Wonder, and I'm playing as Green Mario as we enter Light Switch Mansion. So kind of, yeah, Luigi's Mansion. I forgot how to play the game. Oh yeah, hidden blocks. Boom. Cool, I got hit. That's what I wanted. Okay, cool. How's everyone doing today? I'm feeling really green today. Get it? Because I'm Green Mario? That's just what I'm gonna call him in this video. Ooh, which one's the real one? Not that one. Not that one. Not that one! Ah! It's a door monster. Another door monster, but that one didn't scare me. Cool, I'm huge now, people. Woo! Time to run. Gotta go fast. Okay. A fire mushroom. Some people might call it a fire flower, but they're just wrong. It's a fire mushroom. Whoa. I keep running into things. That's great. I like the flowers. Oh, sorry, the mushrooms. Whatever you want to call them. But I do. I like the talking flowers. Okay, jumpity jump, jump, jump. We're gonna jump. We're gonna lump. I hope there's no lumps. Okay. We're gonna go through the door because we're really poor and I'm just rhyming a lot. What's in here? Just a it's staircase. Okay. Yay! Yay! I didn't get any of the wonder powers. I didn't get any wonder seeds, so we're gonna try that again so we can see the big ghost man. Guys, I'm scared. Are you scared of the big ghost man? The big ghost man is powerful, and that's what I'm calling him. Probably like King Boo or something, but I call him Big Ghost Man. Because I'm 5 years old. And he's the Big Ghost Man. I killed all of the ghosts in that room. I'm a ghost killer. Ghost slayer, if you will. I just keep killing ghosts. Maybe I want to kill ghosts subconsciously. I don't know what I'm talking about. We're not going to be scared by the door monsters this time. Checkpoint. Gonna keep running. Whee! You can wall jump on the same wall in this game. And I'm trying to avoid the ghosts this time. That's a good idea, wouldn't you say? Whee! I'm gonna fall. Okay, I thought I was dead, but I'm not. Another checkpoint. There's 2 checkpoints? What's up here? It's a door. Went through the door. Now I'm in the other room with more ghosts. Ooh, what's that? It's a flower. It's Big Ghost Man! I actually really like this level. This is probably one of my favorite levels in the game. Whee! Okay. Big Ghost Man is scary. But the dancing doors are okay. They're pretty cool. I'm not gonna kill them. Just kidding, of course I will. Or no, I'm not. Because they're invincible. I will make them dizzy, though. Because that's the proper and nice thing to do. I like how every time you look at Big Ghost Man, he's shy to look at you. He's scared. He's scared of me. He is scared of Green Mario.
Well, were you scared?
No. I think you were, though. Flower Man. Flower Man was scared of Big Ghost Man. Okay. Time to go up the stairs, and now... time to get a one-up. Or wonderful. Wonderful! Okay. Whoo! Okay. He did it! Yay!
Thank you.
Pow! See you later, Luigi. Or sorry, Green Mario. That's his real name, guys.
All right.
Alright! Okay, that's all I want to say. Thank you for watching. Bye.